श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, जय अनंत गुरु वैष्णव वृंद की जय, रामेश्वर महाप्रभु की जय, नामवासी भक्त वृंद की जय, प्रदेविगण की जय, प्रदेश्वरी सुंदरानी की जय, जय सपरिकर और नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय, गौतमानंद। श्रीमद् प्रेम भक्ति चंद्रिका श्रील नरोत्तम ठाकुर। Yesterday, Narottam Thakur is explaining many Rishi Maharishi, they are Sadhu, Vaishnava, Guru Varga, they are footstep following necessary. But they are not teaching Navada Bhakti, then they are out of line. They are not called Vaishnava. They are Sahajiya, Sakibhaki, Smarta, Jati Gosai, या Otibadi, Chuladhari, Goranganagari, many other Sampradaya. Teaching Savan Kirtan, but this Savan Kirtan and see Devi Durga Kali, demigods, any other Savan Kirtan? No. And other things teaching Karma Gyan Yoga, then they are not called Vaishnava. They are not Sadhu. They are not Mahajan. And they are footstep following, there are no coming benefit. Only mundane nature is increasing more and more. Therefore, no need following. After he is saying, Tarko Pratishtha Asuta Vivinna, Nasar Visijasya Matamna Bhinnam, Dharmasya Tattam Nitam Guhayam Mahajano Janagata Sapanta. Many Vaishnavas, many desire, many understandings. Not same. Some Vaishnava Bhakta only like chanting Harinam, somebody like Kirtan, Parikrama, some like Seva, Bhajan, Adasevan. One rule regulations they following. They try. But they have not jealousy, they are not angry, other things for, then is called Vaishnava. Otherwise, they following only Bhakti's one names and telling they are following this one, not following another one. Then they have jealousy, they are called Kanishta. Like Archan for Kanishta is deep desire. Srimurti dressing, Bhoga, offering. But Vaishnavas respect, no, they give it. Then they call Kanishta. Now saying, no logic, no tarka, no arguing, many bhakta devotees, many desire. That desire is, how can following? One sadhu telling this is you follow, another telling this is follow. This is a big problem. How many things I am following? Bhakti, Navada Bhakti. And anybody has anything with his realization, then they are telling this is good. Somebody saying, you are reading books, Grantha Goswamis, this is helpful. Somebody say, this Grantha, like, how can you read it? You cannot understand it. You are chanting Harinam. So Harinam is noticed, then you say, you serve it. Then service is, telling this will be karma, no Harinam. But this is not truthful. Any sadhaka chanting Harinam, then service for desire coming. Serving, then Harinam for desire coming. And increasing bhaktis, all program. And he is also hearing Harikatha, then all desire bhakti is coming, automatic coming. Now, Narottam Thakur saying, Mahajaner jei pad tate habo anurata purvapar kariya vichar sadhan smaran lila yatena karahela kayamani kariya susal. Krishna, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, he is saying, Japana Devara Bhakta, Jati Sadhyanito, Topi Mameva Kuntya, Janta Abhiti Purvako. Any demigods worshipping any other that like Sampradaya, Ramanuji, Vishnu Swami, Rimbaditya, Yamadhu Sampradaya, any Vaishnava under guidance, you are staying and following their mood and movement, then this is some helpful. But in demigods followers, they are worshipping and their respect is, Krishna says, this is my respect. Meaning, his family members, anybody respecting, then this is God respect. This is true. And if he was respecting, then is God respect. But not direct. This is not truthful, indirect. Very far away, very distant. Chair is doing that way. Fan is there. One is direct faith and respect. Direct like God respect. And one thing is very far away, very distant. And then like Gurudev giving example. One person's house and he has land and property. Tax collector is came telling government tax this year you have 500 rupees. He said I am very poor, I have no 500 rupees. Then say no, you giving, otherwise government doing kulki. This is acquiring your land and kicking you. Say no, I have no money. Okay, please, you 5 rupees take, you go. Then, and giving some food or sweets, speaking some, then if 5 rupees taking and gone. After some days he came, then say, okay, you take 10 rupees, you go. He is gone. Like 1 year, 2 year, is coming time to time, giving 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee, giving, and he is pleased and happy gone. One day, after 10 years, government giving notice, now this land is not your, it's government land, government taking. So he is taking 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 1 rupees, 20 rupees, he is not giving this government, he is taking himself. Tax collector, but he is not giving government. Same, any demigods, you worshipping, or giving respect, offering puja, demigods are not giving in God. They are giving only. And one day, you are not respecting, you are not serving them, then they are will be very against and angry. They are fire. Like Nanda Maharaj, Krishna's, by order, he cannot giving respect and puja Indra. Indra is very against and try to killing and destroying Brajamandal. Why? The demigod has no patience, no tolerance. They are very greedy for respect and puja. In this world, first is looking, anybody, Guru Sevak, really they are God's servant, my respect, my faith, my love, everything as it is, offering next by next Guru Parampara, and after God himself, then is good. Otherwise, any condition and soul, living entity, they are respecting Vaishnavas, Bhaktas, devotees, something giving. Like many far away too, many persons coming. Then Vaishnava is gone, Bhakta gone, they are giving some Dham Seva, Guru Seva, Vaishnava Seva for some respectful, some prasadam, money, something giving. But they are all taking and digesting. Now this is not proper. This is Guru Seva for God service for. Then benefit coming. Here is saying, Mahajaner jei pod, tate hebo anurato. Mahajano jano gathasa pantha. Any Acharya, Guru, Mahajan, there is God near and there is God family members. They are near, how going my respect, how going my puja, my faith, my love. Going there, that is correct. Otherwise anybody is stealing, then telling you are mine, I am your, don't go here and there. And then other is going, then you lost everything. Many things giving instruction. But Mahabhagavat, Mahajan, Guru Varga never telling like. Any Vaishnavas near going, higher authorities near going, and you getting respect, more and more increasing, faith is increasing, bhakti is, desire is more developing, increasing, this is good. Otherwise no going Vaishnavas near, Bhaktas near, then how? But some cheater is cheating and giving one instruction and then say, no going here and there is stealing like my love and affection and faith, they are trying to, this one, enjoying. Then Krishna says, this is not bhakti, this is not bhajan. And how? Then telling, like, Jatha Tarumula Nisecharana, Tipanti Taskanda Bhuyopasaka, Pranabharachi Jatindriyanam, Tathiva Sarvaharanam, Achutejya. One tree is root, you watering, then trees trunk, trees branches, trees fruits, flowers, everybody will be very strong and very helpful and tree giving everything, everybody. So Mahajan, near you offer yourself, then Mahajan, you serving, following Mahajan footstep, then Vaishnava, Bhakta, Sadhu, Guru, Hari, everybody will be pleased and happy. Like bodies, mouth inside giving some food, then body, all our senses will be strong. But you thinking I am giving some eyes inside, ear inside, milk and honey, then they have no power is accepting for. And they cannot distributing other senses. Okay, I am giving one injection. Okay, sometimes this injection is working, helpful and giving strength. But all time injection is giving, not eating food in mouth, then that person not will be healthy and strong. Therefore, saying, Hari is all in all. Sarva Haranam Achyutejya. Achyuta, God is all in all. Worshipping Him, then His puja and His respect, this is everywhere going. Meaning, will be humble, will be sweet, will be very soft, and all qualities coming, and proper respect giving, distributing. And not worshipping Him. This, you telling, okay, trees, leaves and branches, I am watering, and I am cleaning. Roots, I am not giving water. Then sometime after, trees all will be dry. Branches, flower, fruits, all finished. Tree will be dry, nothing. Same mouth inside not giving food, sense I will be weak after not working. Now here is saying, you cannot worshipping Achyuta, Srihari, Krishna himself, then other the demigod, you are worshipping too much, but everything will be useless. How? One time, Ramchandra Kaviraj, his younger brother, Govinda Das, for requesting, "Oh my dear brother, I am offering myself in my Guru Maharaj, Acharya Srinivas Prabhu's near. He teach me you are worshipping Mahaprabhu, and Mahaprabhu's order which is Radha Krishna, Radha Govinda, Radha Ramana. You also following Mahaprabhu, chanting Harinam. This is good for you." He said, "No, I can follow your order. I can follow your advice. I am worshipping Kali, and she is everything. Adya Shakti Mahamaya. She is creating this world. She is creating me and helpful for me. I can follow Hari and Krishna and this and that." After some time, he is very sick, and last moment is leaving body. That time all are requesting Ramchandra, his elder brother, "Please you come." One time giving him darshan. He is king. Last moment requesting Govinda Das, "Govinda, please," I am now also requesting. Last moment leaving body, he was chanting Harinam. He said, "Okay, I am asking my Kali Mata." He has deep affection. Asking Kali Mata, "Oh, please, you give me mukti. I am suffering too much." She said, "Not possible. How can I give you mukti? Mukti give me Mukunda. And nobody has power." Then he said, "I am lost my life, never following, not doing bhakti, and now chanting Harinam, only worshipping you, and last moment you telling I cannot possible giving you mukti. Mukti is Mukunda." Then he is disturbed. He said, "Brother near, okay, I am now took it shelter." He said, "No, my Guru Maharaj near took shelter." Then Acharya Srinivas near he took shelter. Then Gurudev gave mantra diksha. After he getting oil, and health is no sick more. Now no more last moment. He is get liberation from everything, free from everything. After his realization came, then he is chanting Bhaja Hare Mana Sinandanandan. "Oh my dear mind, please, please, you chanting Harinam. Nandandan, you are. I am lost my life. I am gone. Kali is near, Durga near, Devi God near, this and that. Please now, Govinda, you accepting me." Therefore, Srimad Bhagavatam, this sloka is saying, Achyuta worshipping Krishna Radhana, this is root, and demigods for separate worshipping unnecessary. Another example giving, like one girl is get married with one person, then his person family members automatic will be her family members, and they are with his making love and affection and relation, and no relation with his one boy, one man, then nobody will be her. So here giving another example, Krishna is all in all and everything. Somebody saying, "Okay, I am offering Krishna's bhog and not giving any bhaktas, devotees, not giving any demigods, then Krishna will be happy." But first giving Krishna, then giving anybody, this will be prasad. First worshipping and respecting Krishna, and after Krishna's happiness for pleasures for to take care of everybody's, then no problem. Somebody no understanding, therefore what doing? Okay, I am worshipping in Krishna, I am not giving respecting any others, no relation with any others, I am hating, kicking, neglecting and abusing, telling bad, no. Harireva Sadaradya Sarvadeve Sarisara Itare Brahmarudredya Nabhagya Kadachana. Hari is all in all, but respecting him, worshipping him. That means not you disobey demigods. Brahma, Shiva, other demigods, no disobey, no abhagya. There is God, servant, God, followers, God, family members. Therefore, first puja, after everybody is giving some respect. Everybody is giving prasadam. Everybody is this advice, instruction, not helpful. But they are worshipping God, praying God, like Shiv Thakur, every day chanting and praying. Muninda Binda Banditi Tiloko Soko Harini. And also Ashtakaliya Lila, Ashtam Sadhan, Bhajan Rahasya, everything Shiv Thakur teaching. Therefore, Sukadeva Goswami gone Shiv Thakur near, hearing Harikatha. This is not bad. My Hari is God with his love anybody has, and demigods has also, they are respectful. Any man, human, woman has also the respect for God, love for God, like Ganga Mata Goswamini, Janava Thakurani, Krishna Priya, many other Bhakta devotees' name, coming all are near. They are respecting properly, and they have love and affection. They are not thinking human, woman, man, any demigods. No. Brahma, he is Adi Guru, our Sampradaya. He is himself come in Varsana, his four head he is now present, and they taking every day feedast of these Brajadevis. Then he is distributing everybody. He has Anurag. So they demigods, they like Krishna Bhakti. Like Krishna time, Drapar Yuga, Krishna giving advice. I am coming now, before all our demigods going there. Where? In Gokul, Mahavan, and Vrindavan, Brajamandal. Everybody going there, get birth. After I am coming. Ramchandra Leela time, monkey, chimpanzee, baboon, any bird, eagle, crow, jackal, any squirrel, any animals within Ramchandra, but they are not ordinary living entities, all demigods. They are get bird. Why? Ravana taking bone, Brahma's near. I am not will be die with your creation. Norava Noro. Any man, demigods, they are not disturbing me, not killing me. But he are not thinking animals, these birds, squirrel, mongoose, they are killing him and repeating him. He cannot believe this. On monkey going and monkeys destroying this, everything, Lanka, he cannot believe. He is proud. So, like anybody has Krishna Bhakti, Ram Bhakti, Vishnu Bhakti, God for, they have some love, then that person's respectful. He is Mahajan. His respect is God respect. But any ordinary personas, demigods, I am respecting. Any ordinary bhakta, they are respecting. I am thinking this is Guru Puja, this is God service, bogus. Bhakta never accepting direct any puja. They are offering God himself. But ordinary people, they are like doing. Like one time, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he is in my state, he going office, he looking, my Guru Maharaj came, his Guru Maharaj came. Bipin Bihari Goswami. Then Prabhupada is too young. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur offering Sastanga Dandavad. He is now, his feet, both feet, giving Bhaktivinoda Thakur chest. Top up. After, his head. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur washing his feet, taking Charanamrita, sprinkling body, and offering bhoga, and massaging him, and giving prasadam, and he is gone his office. Prabhupada is came, Nirmala Prasad. He is asking, you know this Bhaktivinoda Thakur? You are thinking I am Guru, he is respecting in you. That means your feet is putting his chest and head. Okay. What your feet has what qualities? What your feet has? What are you giving him? So tell me. Your feet, how is helpful? You know your feet has how much power? You realizing this? First is very angry. After Prabhupada is more asking. এখনো বুঝিনু প্রভু তোমার চরণ অশোক অভয়ামৃত পূর্ণ সর্বক্ষণ now I am asking you your feet অশোক অভয়ামৃত purnananda giving everything you feet has. Okay, you are touching and walking one shoes is now Parabrahma followers. He is getting consciousness. Your feet is with you walking step by step, all grasses, everything getting bhakti. You stepping many things. You are very proud. You don't know Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He is too much now arguing. Se pada lobiya Brahma kritartha hoilo. Je pada paiya Lakshmi kritartha hoilo. Je pada paiya Shiva Shivatva lobilo. Se abhay pad Siri dhariya. Paramananda nachi padaguna gaiya. That feet touching at time getting prema bhakti. Nityananda Prabhu giving ma Raghunath Das Goswami. So this is powerful. Your feet has what power? How you are thinking my feet has this power and shakti I am giving? He is arguing too much. Now cannot give me any answer. And after he say, you are asking nonsense questions. Guru's duty, Guru giving his feet is disciples. Say yes. Then you will be within disciples. If you are worshipping continuous your feet, you can go here and there. You have now other persons with relation, therefore you running, sometimes you coming, it is not good. You will be permanent here. Every day Bhaktivinoda Thakur washing feet, taking Charanamrita, and your feet is giving his head and chest, like Brahman Dev is giving in Bali Maharaj, and Bali Maharaj is present within Brahman Dev present within Bali Maharaj. Never left there. You will be here. Don't go here to more. Every day Bhaktivinoda coming office to before he is running. He cannot more coming. He is thinking, okay, you have love for Bhaktivinoda Thakur, can go here to 1 minute for. He said, Baba, this boy is too much strange and strong. The people has this idea, proudness. They are not Bhakta disciples, respect and faith and love, cannot offering God himself. Then is problem. One person gave me this mala. I am wearing very nicely. Very good. But this is came my near. I am offering my Guru Maharaj. I am giving God. No possible. Somebody give me some oil. I am giving. Isabhasyam idam sarvam jat kinchit jagatyang jagat tena taktena bhunjita maghasya gridasripana. Anything is my near come. Sarvasyam Guru Vedadya. Everything Guru Padma for offering is necessary. I say I am mindly offering. Somebody may asking, okay, every day you offering Mahaprasad God, yes. After Guru Vaishnava, yes. After plate is coming out, and then what doing you? What are you doing? Time taking. I say that time not giving Guru Vaishnava. Okay, I am offer already. I say, oh, you are offer mindly, but directly I am near as many Vaishnava and Guru. Not giving them, then giving them what I am eating. How can I maintain? This is question. Mahajano jano gata sapanta. Mahajan not thinking about this. Mahajan mindly offering, also practically they giving. After giving, he has anything left. This is called Jagyasishta Sino Santo. Jagya Vasishta. Last part. Mahaprasad. This is Vaishnava rules, Bhaktas rules. But demigod giving, demigod taking, accepting. But any demigod, any like Brahma Shiva, they have love for God, then they are more respected. They are called Mahajan. Shambhu, Narada Shambhu, Kumara, Kapila Manu, Prahlado, Janaka Bhishma, Balir, Bhaya, Sakir Bhayam. They are Mahajan. That Mahajan respect necessary. This is Bhakti's Karan. Bhakti increasing, developing. And demigods worshipping, they are giving Panchapurushartha Krishna Prem, giving good, now giving, then respected, but not worshipable. Narottam is saying, this Prem, Bhagat Prem, how can coming, how Vyasdev, he is many times, many places, many things he is explaining, but that things not is helpful for this Rupan Raganugas. Raganuga, they are following Srila Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, and Sala Goswami, and my Parampara. Seva Sadhaka Rupani, Siddha Rupani Chatrahi, Tadbhava Likshuna, Karjam Raja Lokunu Sarata. I am following whom? Sadhak, body with this, they are continuously serving, remembering, following Bhakti's rules, and eternal mood with this, they are Siddha Swarup with this, serving Brajavasis, under guidance Krishna. Brajavasis rules, regulations, they are continuously following. They are early morning, they churning this butter, yogurt, and coming butter, little butter, and you are watching, they thinking, this is my Krishna's for I am offering. Any fresh yogurt, laddu, milk, honey, anything you are watching, Brajavasis mood, this is my Krishna's for. Flower, my Krishna's for. That Brajavasis I am following, that Anurag is coming. And I am looking, one shop, nice puris, nice samosa, nice halwa, all cooking. Then I am thinking, quickly I am taking and sitting and eating and hiding and eating lot of Brajavasis mood, never possible. They not greedy for this dog food. They are not dog eaters. They are God for everything you offer. Any good things watching, their memory is Udipana coming. And some garden, some clean water, fresh things watching, one cloth nice, all things. Brajavasis, this Nijavishta, Manavishta, good things watching, then at time they are remembering Rupa Manjari, Lavanga Manjari, Rasa Manjari, Rati Manjari, Raman Manjari, Kanak Manjari, Kasturi Manjari, all are. How is? I am offering them, the taking, running and giving Lalita Devi, Vishakha Devi. They are offering. One nice animal watching in the forest, thinking this animal is, I am giving in Krishna. One calf, oh, they are remembering Krishna. These things Thakur Narottam Thakur saying, Nijavisto Krishna Prishto. This is Rup Sanatan has desired. Like Dandakaranya Basi Munayo, Vinod Bhavanukta, Sutayasya Chandrakanta Jayadeva Vidyapati Jantyasa, Villa Mangaladi, Adi, Asya, Purva Mahajana, Sula Goswamina, Paramahajana. My Gaudiya Parampara, Chakravarti writing, Dandakaranya Rishi. Ramchandra is meeting, but did not asking Ramchandra, you giving me Brahma mood, Parabrahma mood. No. What they saying? You giving this love, this mood, this affection. How can serving him, following him? And Vidyapati Jayadev, Villamangal, they are also giving this mood, distributing. Their Upasana, Aradhana, very first class. Therefore, Dandakaranya Rishi Muni, they are Mahajan, not any other Mahajan. Bhakti Sindhu, they telling Pura Maharsha Sarve, Dandakaranya Vasina, Vishtaramam Haring Tatra, Bhaktamachana Suvigraham, Te Sarve, Istittam, Apanna, Samudgasya Gokule, Haring Samprapya Kamena, Tato Muktam Bhavarnavat. Bhakti Sindhu, first and telling Dandakaranya Rishi, they are meeting with Ram, they are looking Ram, their desire is come, how will be his, our beloved Ram? Ramchandra not accepting. Old Rishi, and there is thousand million years to doing austerity, after sending Gopal Mantra, then their nature is coming. Like that, I'm so surprised. Where from come this Anurag? Not dry. Old age and the long time doing austerity, but not dryness. Sweetness, softness come. And more than young is, more than too young, they like Ram. You will be our beloved. Ram is not possible. Yeah. Draupadi will come and then Krishna will be your beloved lover. Why? Krishna is eating and drinking only water and milk, and these chorus. Then he is possible accepting. I am not eating, I am eating root and fruits. I am eating jungle. This rasa is not mine here. Now they are Mahajan. Saying, following them, they are Mahajan. How is the Dandakaranya Rishi? Then they tell him, Kandarva Lavanye, Toi Diste Manangsina, Kamani Bhavam Asaidya, Smara, Kubdana Sangsaya, Jatha Talokabasina, Kamo Tatena Gopika, Bhajanti Ramanang Matta, Chikisa, Janinasthatha. That Brahmalokvasis, Shruti, Smriti, Upanishad, meeting with Krishna, they are praying, O Krishna, you are Amakanti, your beauties. Kandar, Koti Kandarva Vinindito. Kamdev watching, he is defeated. Anybody watching, forget all. One time, thinking you, meeting with you, then never restless, never any last, never enjoy recreation for mood. All things to become free from everything. Only meeting you, looking you, they are to cannot come and not return. Mind and heart and soul, nothing there is attached. And they are getting Gopideho. No more any other. One, Padmapura is writing, Chandrakanti, one Gandharva's daughter, says, hearing, oh, Krishna Upasana is good. Then never mind is restless. No running, no body with this relation. All things to when getting renounced. Very will be happy. Then she is, see Gandharva very bhogi, enjoy. I am becoming young, and there is torturing me. And also torturing my body, myself, disturbing me. Then she is asking Brahma, she is asking all demigods, who is near going, who is helping me. I am protecting myself. I will be pleased and happy. I am not will be disturbed, and anybody not coming and disturbing me. He asked, nobody giving answer. Chandrakanti Nayan, walking, going here and there, flying here and there. All demigods has desire. I am enjoying it. This girl, this Gandharva. And many Gandharva, they are ready. Then she is gone, Brahma's near. And Brahma, say, okay, I am giving one boon. What? Now, you are worshipping Krishna. And how worshipping? Go, Vrishabharaj Nandini, Srimati Radharani is near. She is son, daughter, Surya Kanya, Bhanu. Bhanu means son. Vrishabhanu, Bhanu, Subhanu, Brihat Bhanu. 4 brothers. So, she is now son, daughter, very powerful. And her near going, worshipping and following her footsteps, then you will be very strong. Brajdevi are too much strong. Why? Krishna many times try to accepting them. They are not greedy for Krishna. They are happy and pleased. He left in 100 years, okay, all are very happy. You come, you like, then you are happy. All are happiness for not thinking. Why? They are free from everything. They are out of everything, not touching anything. Krishna tried to giving anything, they cannot accept it. They have everything. So this Vrishabharaj Raj Nandini, worshipping, then your heart desire and disease too, you will be free. No problem then. Then she is worshipping Vrishabharaj Raj Nandini. After Krishna came, Krishna said, you like me, worshipping me, I came. Yes, I like you, but worshipping in you, but not my enjoyment. Your pleasures for, I am worshipping you, not for myself. Yeah. Then he said, okay, I am happy, I am giving something you. No, no need. You are giving something, then you are taking distance. I am not taking anything. I am, here is good, I am under guidance of Vrishabharaj Raj Nandini, I am staying. Yeah. You like, I am serving in you, worshipping you, worshipful you, but nothing to take your near. No desire. Then telling, Jadyapi nirmal radhar satprem adarpan, tathapi satchatadar bade khan ekhan, amar madhurya nahi badite avakase, edarpaner age nava nava rupe bhase, man madhurya radha prem tuhe hod kori, khane khane bade duhe kyo nahi hari. This is Krishna Madhuri, drinking. Then, like desire, developing, but very clean. There are no spot, no any mix, no any other things there. Not any desire there. Very clean. Krishna looking this bhakta, then Krishna very happy and clean. Heart is cleaning and there nothing is entire. Entire, then that things will be more clean. One person, one place is very clean. You go, sitting there, will be happy. Your dirtiness also going. And you going dirty places, then your choice and desire, telling this is dirty, this is very bad. And clean place going, more cleaning for desire coming. Dirty place, all are spitting, throwing garbage, more make dirty. So Radharani is near, anybody came, worshipping, following her footsteps, automatic, all heart, all disease, all desire, all everything, oh cleaning, purifying. And going, and Devi Durga, any other demigods near, then big problem. They are near Tamasi, Rajasi, Sattiki, many things. That things coming and attracting, making dirty. So Krishna coming, Krishna forget his Parabrahma mood. He is forget everything. He is very clean now, very happy now. and his beauty more increasing. He is more happy. No need touching anybody, no looking anybody. He is singing, he is playing. Sometimes hand is holding and he is doing dance. But touching them, then he is feeling is very well. Oh, I am more than clean for everything. Before he is Brahma, Brahma himself. Now he is not thinking about I am Brahma, I am God. Forget it all, meaning cleaning everything. So that places is Vrindavan. That places is Radha Daisya. Without Radha Daisya, impossible anything to free from will be. Not possible. How much clean Srimati Radharani, Mahaprabhu that things distributing for another person's teachings for Mahaprabhu this movement. Otherwise, in this world, any other sampradaya, any other this religious, any process cannot clean you, cannot purify you. Life to life destroying, but not progress coming. Krishna saying, I am progressing my life. I am developing. Sakhas, cows, they are following Srimati Radharani, Brajabhumi, there is clean. Heart is soft and sweet and mild. Then is Madhurya increasing every time, every moment. Asa Sangati Sada, Tag Kara Anna Gita, Karmikani, Porihari Dure, Kevala Bhakat Sangha, Premokti Rasaranga, Nilakata, Brother Sapuri, Narthan Thakur saying, Asa Sangati Sada. Another, not only demigods, another sadhu, santa, mahatma, they are not following these manjaris, kinkaris, abhinna prana, abhinna deha, jugal kishore, radharani's footsteps, not followers, they are also sangha. They are near going, I am going distance to this Brajabhukti. Big problem. Therefore saying, Sala Goswami and Mahaprabhu's movement, they worshipping Manjari Bhav Sadhana. This is Acharya. They are only Mahabhagavad, there is Guru Parampara. Otherwise, and the person not Parampara. They are not worshipping this line. How will be Bhagavad Parampara? Not Guru Parampara. These line followers, they are called Bhagavad Parampara, Guru Parampara. Otherwise, not. Now, clearly telling, then people will be very disturbed. But it is not a problem. How coming this line? They have no desire, they don't know, they don't understand, they don't realize it. They can clean. How can cleaning me? Cleaning us? How will be free from anartha, free from ego, free from other desire? How coming? This freehold, how coming? Therefore, this parampara, truthful and right parampara. Which one? Sala Goswami's followers. Manjari Bhav Sadhana and this Krishna for Kanta Bhav, Sokhi Modo it is Upasana. Then saying Sadhan Smaran Lila Yatana Korohela Kaimane Korea Susar. Sadhan time remembering, serving, praying, day and night. This Lila, you remembering. This is not Manodharma. Okay, Manodharma, I have bad things thinking within mind. No, I am thinking mind which is my Brajabhumi, Brajadham. Thakur Mahasaya telling, this is Jugal Vilas Smriti. Bhajan for Anukulit Sankalpa Pratikulasya Vivarjana. Asassangati means only Karmi Gyani. No. Any other sadhaka, Dwarka Mathura, this is Asassanga. And Vaishnava, very strongly lefty. Kusanga, Asassanga. Otherwise, business for desire coming. Otherwise, respect and favor, desire coming. And I am speaking, then anybody respecting, oh, I am very great now. Any other desire coming. Like this is called disease. Disease, I will be patient then I lost everything. No asakti, no attraction, no attachment, any other things. Heart will be clean, perfect. Sadhaka, acharan, character will be two types. Varjanatmak, Granatmak. One thing I am rejecting, I left very strongly. No right, no right. Cancel. It is not too good for me. I am thinking, I forget my Harinam. I lost my Brajbhumi. I lost my energy. Nonsense. At a time, throwing all. Malabat. Like toilet going, left stool, passing, washing, come back. Same. Varjanatmak. And Granatmak, I am every day going Govardhan, every day going Vrindavan, there Lila Bhumi, I am crying, weeping, rolling, I am offering pranam, I am praying that Rose Vijar Manjarijar, early morning to house serving, what remembering, what thinking, what their process. My Guru Padma, what is state, I am following. Therefore, early morning, Savanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. After next by next, all time, I will be very busy. Chanting Harinam, service, everything. And I am remembering. Then, this strong mood, this is called Sadhu Sangha. That Sadhu Sangha, there no attachment and attraction. But ordinary, jealousy people has that liar, cheater, and to my attachment within family, that person, this is like his ruddy oil, that things left. Slow, increasing, Kevala Bhagat Sangha, Pramukti Rasranga, Lilakata, Brajarasapuri. Sujati assisting Sadhu Sangha Satavari. Krishna Smarang Janam Jasya, Krishna Braja Samitam. Tatkatha, Tatasyaso, Kurjat Braja Vasoda. And you are going, Harinam Sankirtanam, Harikatarani, there is my place. No Harikata, no Harikirtan, no Hariseva, no Seva, no mood, that place is very dangerous, very poisonous, there is lot of bacteria. Bhakta, Bhagavat going, that anywhere they are making this movement. Body enjoy for, body and for, they cannot think him. Sajatya meanings, Bhakti Rasa, following for helpful places. And everything will be favorable. That places, Vaishnava Darshan, Vaishnava Bhakti, Kevala Bhakti Sangha, Brahma Bhakti Rasa Ranga. Ranga means there is tasteful waves, one by one. One kirtan, nice kirtan doing. After kirtan, then there is praying. After there is dancing. After there is Mahaprasad, they are distributing. All program one by one, line by line, coming. Everything is giving memory for Rajabhumi and Krishna Lila. Like saying, Ananda Kanda Nitai Chandra, Arunanayana, Karuna Chandra. Nityananda Rose near going anybody, Nityananda giving Paramananda. In childhood too, he is giving. This is called Sajatiya. They soul followers, pure soul followers. Other going any other persons near, Vijatiya, they are giving Maya, this, rose. Teaching how doing business, how doing politics, how debating any others, what articles, what I am giving this announcement, bad things teaching, bad mood coming. They are not kind, they are not dayalu. They are not snigdha, not sweet and soft. Mohat kripa, no they have. Vishya bhakti, Vishya rati. Therefore, Radha Madhav, this Lila Kataras, tasting for will be getting. Then Krishna arranging this program. Now, evening time, next.